Hello everyone, I am Aniket and today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, cell. Cell is a basic structural functional unit of our body or all living organisms. A human body consists of 100 trillion cells with a size and mass of 10 microgram and 1 nanogram respectively. Cells are divided into two types, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are those cells which are not fully developed and less developed nucleus, such as bacteria. Eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are those cells which are fully developed and they have well developed nucleus and other organelles present in the cell. Example, plant cell, animal cell, fungi cell, etc. There are about 200 different types of cell present in our body. There are various functions of cells such as movement of substance across cell membrane, cell growth and metabolism by cell division, protein synthesis by transportation, by transcription and translation. Cells, it is divided into three major parts: plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the outermost membrane of cell which separate out internal environment of cell to the external environment. It is selectively permeable which allows substance to pass through it. It is made up of with bilayer of phospholipids. It provides protection from external environment. It gives shape to the cell. It regulates flow of material out of the cell. It also plays a key role in a communication with outer cell and external environment. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contains cytosol, organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome, centriomes and peroxisomes. Cytosol. It is a fluid present inside the cell. It is transparent, viscous, which contain about 75% to 90% mostly water, protein, lipids and carbohydrates. Organelles. These are the organelles present in cytoplasm are perform specific function for cells. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a complex channel system enclosed within the membrane in the form of three-dimensional network that consists of vessels, flattened sacs and branch tubules. Uh, Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are those endoplasmic reticulums have ribosome attached to it and help in protein synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulums do not have attached the ribosomes. Function, Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. It acts as a structural framework of cytoplasm, exchange of material, etc. Ribosomes. Uh, Ribosomes are the tiny spheres that contain ribosomal RNA and several ribosomal protein, and also known as factory of proteins because uh, uh, it, ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. Uh, Ribosomes are made up of two subunits, that is smaller and larger subunit. Smaller subunit contains the 30s and 50s, and larger subunit contain 40s and 60s uh, sub 40s and 60s subunit. Mitochondria. It is a powerhouse of cell because it generates ATP. Uh, it is made up of two membranes, that is inner and outer. The main function is to generate energy. The main function of mitochondria is generate the energy and also perform cellular signaling and regulate cellular uh, proliferation. Golgi apparatus. It consists of 4 to 6 flattened sacs called as cyton placed upon each other like piles and plates, which expanded lugs at the ends. They store protein and modify them and also move to the plasma membrane. Lysosomes. Lysosomes work as a digestive system of cells which contain digestive and hydrolyzed enzymes such as RNA and DNA, protein and lipids. Uh, Lysosomes vary in size ranging from 0.1 to 0.1 to 1.2 micrometer. They also work as a defensive against microorganisms. Centrosomes. It consists of pair of centrioles and play important role in cell divisions. Peroxisome. It contains many oxidase enzymes that can oxidize various organic substances such as fatty acid, amino acid, and uric acid. It contains the enzyme catalase and protect the cell. Nucleus. A nucleus is usually spherical and oval structure which is largest in the cell. It consists of double membrane which separate nucleus from the cytoplasm. It consists of spherical structure called nucleolus. It is also known as control center of the cell. It contains genetic material include DNA and RNA. It directly involved in the reproduction and transfer of all genetic information from parent cell to the daughter cells.